Today we're going to be doing a short mobility practice, perfect for morning time. I'm here with Katana. She's my assistant for today. Yeah. Are you assisting? Let's get started. To begin, we're going to just move our joints first. Starting with the ankles, we're going to roll out on the right side first, and then on the left. And bending slightly, hands above the knees. We're going to make circles with the knees here. To the right and to the left. I'm crunchy. My knees are always crunchy though. And then we'll stretch the hips, pushing towards the right, towards the left, forward, bringing hips straight forward, and pushing back, hinging at the hips. So now connecting the dots. And to the left. No, Katana. Very nice. Let's roll out the wrists. And shoulders. Making circles with your elbows here. In both directions. Shake it out. All right, let's warm up the neck. We're going to bring left ear to left shoulder. And right ear to right shoulder. Moving into some neck circles, chin down. Really slowly and controlled, rolling out the neck. And switching directions. Very nice, let's get started. Our first movement is in the dynamic stretch. We're gonna start with a big deep breath in. Inhale, arms up. And you'll come down into a forward fold. And you'll walk your hands forward into a plank. Don't mind the loaf here. And walk your hands back, bending the knees if you have to. So we'll do that a couple more times. Inhale in. Hinge at the hips, forward fold. Walking the hands forward into a plank. And walking them back. Knees bent, coming up slowly. Very good. One more time. Inhale. Coming down. Walking the hands forward. Plank. Walking the hands back, knees bent. Very nice. Next, we're going to come down. So we'll come down in the same manner. We'll inhale in. Forward fold. Hang here for a second, ragdoll. Oh. Ow! And bending at the knees. Very good. Next, you're going to come down on your bottom. Oh, now she's playful. Next, we're going to move our legs side to side in like a windshield wiper motion. So just twisting like this as you bring both legs to the side. Now going into butterfly pose here. I'll turn towards you. You could stay facing that way if you would like. We're going to do a side stretch, left hand down, and swooping towards the right. Come back through center and switch. I really should have put my hair up today. And switch again. Back to center, leaning forward. Very nice. Meet me in tabletop. We're going to move from tabletop into child's pose. Breathing. Back to tabletop. Down. Really stretching out the arms. Intentionally reaching out. And back to tabletop. Continue at your own pace. Very nice. Next, inhale, come up for down dog, bringing your hips up, bending your knees, really sinking deep into the posture. Right leg comes up and in between the hands. Up, in between, the knee comes in between the hands. Next, we're going to go into lizard. And we'll do some rocking motions here. So forward, back. Just some slight rocking, slight movement to get that knee or that hip opened up. Bringing the left knee down. You can come all the way down here or stay here. And come back to down dog. This time the left side comes up, left leg, knee in between the hands. For 3. And next one, get into your lizard pose. Very nice. And rock. Sink deeper if you can. Continue to breathe. Very good. And bring it back to table and child's pose. Last, we will meet on our bellies for our last round of movement. So we're going to go pushing ourselves up into cobra and back down. Inhale, push up, exhale, slowly come down. Inhale, exhale, slowly come down. And slowly come down. Stay here. I'm going to extend our arms out. Breathe. Take this moment to feel grounded and supported. And opening up the eyes if you have them closed. Bringing yourself up to a comfortable seat. We'll close out the practice. Arms up on an inhale. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thanking yourself for showing up to your movement practice to get your day started. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I'll see you next time. Namaste.